Right. Okay, we're going back to Frank's to look at one of the cars. Now that it's not raining, we can actually have a proper look.
It's probably a good idea to close the window.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So the plan is we're going to ask him for the keys and explain that we think of putting a deposit on it on Tuesday. If we survive that and we get the keys, emphasis on if.
He's not a nice man.
Well, he is. He's just a bit mental.
Yeah.
Then what we do is take out the spark plugs, see the gap, stuff like that. Because I couldn't get fogging oil, I'll pour a little bit of 5W30 into the pistons and the valves to lubricate the piston rings and pour the rest in the tank. After which we'll see if it runs better. Then if not, we know it's another issue, but that we take that as it comes. Other than that, we're going to check it for rust and any further issues like damage, pulleys, bearings, stuff like that.
Yep. Right, guess we'll see you when we're up there.
On the worst road in the world, and the suspension's currently trying
It's
to
still there, I can see it.
I'd be pissed off if it wasn't.
I'm not surprised it's still there, because
No one else wants it.
anyone would be insane to take it.
That's why we got it.
Yeah. See you in a minute. I could always put it out. Right, back with the Beamer, put some oil in it. I'm terrified of this car. Technical difference, bear it back.
We didn't lock it.
I thought you locked it.
No, I did lock it.
It's not going to fit the BMW keys. Anyway,
Shut up.
so yeah, it won't start because we suspect the battery's dead. And for some logical reason, battery's in the boot.
Because Germany.
Yeah, because Germany. Help him. What are you doing?
Question.
What?
Why does it have two headlight switches?
We'll figure that out later. You don't want to lock it?
They can't move it.
Yeah, no, but someone might nick something from it. Right, we got it working. Luckily. That's a strong smell of petrol.
I love it.
Yeah, but it's not good news, is it?
No, because it hasn't been running ages. You pick that up. See how heavy it is.
Okay.
Bloody hell, yeah.
Bloody hell, fine. Right, I'm scared to turn it off in case it doesn't start working. And good news, that is sounding better. Oh, you're a twat.
It's running very rich. Right, one thing I have to do before we resign it.
What? You doing? Oh!
Something in the pistons.
You don't say.
Probably doesn't have much oil either. Probably 2 litres, if I would say.
Yeah, the 2 litres you put in.
Yeah.
We leaving it running?
You're staying by it.
Yeah, I know, but we leaving it running.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let it recharge itself.
Cool.
Right, so just jacked her up and oil.
A lot of it.
Not a lot.
Well, less than on the car we looked at earlier.
A light coating, I would say. So just taking the covers off to see if anything reveals itself. Longest bolt known to man, or what? Come on! Alright, fuel rail.
Yeah.
But, let's be honest, it could be worse.
Yeah.
Because it runs.
Yeah, actually, I meant to do this earlier. I guess I'll do like a tour of the car while you're doing this and taking the covers off. I can come back and show what we found.
Make sure you sense the number plate, would you?
I'm showing them the plate.
Yeah, but if you show them it when you
I'm
do
not.
the
I'm going to open the boot before I.
Oh, you recorded still?
Yes. Right, in the car now. It's a bit like mucky. Could be worse. Dials on the dash.
The belt looks alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're out in a minute. Yeah, there's some sort of bag with a dead body in it. But that's to be expected with the BMW. A bit of rust around the arches, but that's fixable. Boot, again, nothing wrong with it, it's just a bit dirty. Yeah. Rust around the wheels. Coils are actually in okay condition. What?
Liquid oil in the engine. How much?
That's not good.
What?
That's not good.
No, in the engine.
Oh, okay.
Where it should be.
I wasn't really paying attention to what you were saying. Hey, the spark plug's now on.
Maybe.
Got it? Hey.
The interior's solid.
Yeah.
Oh, needs a new clutch.
Yeah?
Very hard.
Okay. I thought that. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. One works. Alright, that's the end. I know it's another short one, but we only came to look at the car.
And we've stayed a bit longer than I was anticipating anyway.
Yeah.
But, basically, how it is at the moment, my hair's going everywhere. Frank, the person who owns a scrapyard, says that he doesn't want to take a deposit. I'd wager that means it's a popular car, so we need to magic 225 quid out of our ass.
Yeah, to make up the 395 he wants for it.
We'll have enough certainly by the 2nd of August, at which point I hope it's still there. I don't see why it wouldn't be,
Yeah.
but you can never be too sure.
Especially after we got it running today.
Yeah.
Because someone else came to look at it.
Said it didn't run.
Yeah, and said it didn't run. We got it running, so now whoever comes to look at it
We'll also be able to get it running.
yeah, because we did all the
hard work.
Yeah.
So what we were planning to do was be arseholes and take off the battery cable, so they think, oh, the car ain't working, the car's dead. We forgot, and we gave the keys back. And we couldn't exactly go and say, oh, could we have the keys again to unplug the battery?
Yeah, because the battery's in a place no one would look in the boot.
So, yeah, it's the end of the episode, and just wanted to give you an update on all the things that happened off camera.
Yep, so...
Because Frank refuses to be filmed. They don't want to see the face of the murderer, do they?
Anyway, right, we'll see you hopefully when we come and get that Beamer. If not, we'll be looking for a new car. Rip.
And then we start all over again.
Yep, but hopefully it will still be there.
It's been there for about a year, so I don't see why it wouldn't.
Yeah.
Last words.